Most people type one sentence into Claude and wonder why the answer is useless. The problem is not the AI. The problem is the prompt. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to teach you 3 techniques that immediately put you ahead of 99% of Claude users. No theory. Just copy these exactly. Technique 1. The formula. Every powerful prompt has 4 parts. Role. Context. Task. Format. Most people only include the task. Here is the difference. Weak prompt, write me an email. Strong prompt, you are a professional business writer. I need to follow up with a client who has not replied in 3 days about a website project. Write a polite but firm follow-up email under 100 words. Use a friendly professional tone. Same request. Completely different result. Role tells Claude who to be. Context tells it the situation. Task tells it what to do. Format tells it exactly how to deliver the answer. Use all 4 every single time and your results will immediately improve. Technique 2. Think step by step. This one sentence at the end of any prompt doubles the quality of Claude's answer. Add this to any complex question. Think step by step before answering. Without it, Claude rushes to an answer and misses important details. With it, Claude works through the problem logically before responding. Example prompt: I have a job interview tomorrow for a marketing manager role. I am nervous about the salary negotiation part. Think step by step and give me a strategy for how to handle it confidently. The words think step by step activate a completely different level of reasoning inside Claude. Use this every time the answer actually matters to you. Technique 3. Show Claude an example. Claude matches patterns better than it follows vague instructions. If you want a specific style or format, show it one example first. Weak prompt: write me a LinkedIn post about AI productivity. Strong prompt: write me a LinkedIn post about AI productivity in this exact style. Here is an example I like. Most people spend 2 hours writing emails. I spend 10 minutes. Here is the exact system I use. End with a question that gets comments. Now write a new post about Claude saving time at work using the same style. Claude now understands exactly what good looks like for you specifically. It stops guessing and starts matching your exact standard. Here is the complete system. Every prompt you write from today, role plus context plus task plus format. Every complex question, add think step by step at the end. Every time you want a specific style, show Claude one example first. 3 techniques. 5 minutes. You are now ahead of 99% of Claude users. Subscribe. Every week I show one AI skill that actually changes how you work. Comment below with which technique you're trying first today.